Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Mr. Latios here with Business Information Management II. And today I am going to offer you just a little clarity on how to achieve completion of some of your assignments in Domain 2. Just wanted to give you guys some great news. I am not going to do late assignments. I am going to offer you guys an opportunity to complete these assignments on time by taking away the late assignment. Your deadline for this is going to be December 6th. If you don't complete it by December 6th, your assignment will not even be accepted. All right. So if you completed the assignments, you put in the effort, please make sure that you guys um, remind me of the assignment. Okay. Make sure you turn in your assignments before December 6th in your spare time. And I will give you full credit for it. All right. Cool. Now, let's go ahead and start off this video by watching this picture that's in the screen. Okay. And what I wanted to go ahead and bring this picture up was because as I have assisted some of you, I have noticed that you guys are trying to take a shortcut to complete the assignments, and unfortunately, shortcuts or easy decisions result in a hard or uh, a hard result. Pretty much saying that you're going to have a harder time learning the material and completing the assignments. And so one of the things that I've noticed is you guys are skipping the videos, you're not watching them, you're just trying to figure things out on how to do it. And when you can't do it, you're asking me a lot of questions. And I get it. I'm here to help you, but I need to also be strategic. I need to be smart about it, and I need to go ahead and offer you all a reminder that you must watch the videos to do this. If you watch the videos, you complete the labs, the workbook assignments will come naturally to you. You will be able to achieve them successfully, all right? But it requires you guys to do the work. It requires you to make those hard decisions to maybe set aside your distractions, put in the time to complete your assignments, and that way you can have a positive result. If you take the shortcuts, you do things, um, you know, halfway, you're not going to get the result you want. You're going to have a hard time achieving these assignments. And for example, here, right, you make easy decisions, you're going to have a hard life. If you made hard decisions, you're going to have an easy life. All right. Go to school, have success. Don't go to school, well, you're going to have a hard time. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the lesson. All right, so here is domain 2, and I wanted to go ahead and just put both of them right next to each other so you guys can see and fully understand this lesson. All right, this lesson I did have a hard time putting it together, and with domain 3, 4, 5, it was a little bit more organized. And throughout the next couple of days, I'm going to be refining it and opening it up for you as soon as possible so that we can go ahead and have a successful outcome with this certification training program. So for starters, a lot of you guys have been asking me, how do I do the 225 resume and cover letter and the 233 brochure? Well, guys, the first thing is here is all of the lessons, right? And as you guys see here, you have the videos to watch how to do the assignments. If you watch the videos are essentially doing all of the assignments in the workbook. You just got to pay attention and you got to focus on these videos. Okay, the videos are not very long. As we did last week, we went ahead and completed them. Within the class period, right? We were able to watch all the videos, we were able to complete the lab, and then we still had about 15, 20 minutes to go ahead and complete some of our student workbook assignments, okay? So domain lesson 1 and domain 2 was very simple. It was just a matter of you going ahead and starting a document. So this is the only assignment where you actually create your own assignment. And all you got to do is go to the start menu, click Word, and then follow the instructions in this particular workbook. Once you do that, there's no challenges for you to go ahead and complete the assignment. But with this one, this is one of the more manageable ones for you guys to achieve, okay? And here it is right here, right? You just start a new blank document with Word. add your full name on the first line, add the second line, your address. Your address could be Spring High School, and the high school's address. You can look it up online and determine that. And then on the third line, finish the address with your city, state, and postal code. Skip a line, and then go ahead and follow these instructions. Once you finish, you're done. That's it. Now for domain two is a little bit, for lesson two is a little bit different. Lesson two, of course, you gotta watch the videos. Once you finish watching the videos, you can go ahead and practice with the lab. And with the lab, you're gonna go ahead and take advantage of the guided practice, right? You're always gonna select a browser and you're gonna click select, and then you're gonna go ahead and initiate the work. Now here we see that we have already passed it. And so here, pretty much it's saying that you guys are successful with it. Now, once we're past the labs, of course, you're gonna make sure you screenshot this, you submit this for your grade, and then you are absolutely 100% done with this assignment. Now, here's the tricky part. The tricky part is when you get to the student workbook. When you get to the student workbook, this is where things start to get a little challenging for some of you guys, okay? Now, these are the assignments that you got to turn in 225. So we're going to go to lesson 3. And so here on lesson 3, you are going to, again, you got to watch these videos. You got to practice on the labs. If you do these two things right back to back, this will take you about 15, 20 minutes to complete. Then this will take you about maybe 5, 7 minutes. All right. And then this is where you're going to see that you need to go ahead and be paying attention, right? And this is where I'm telling you guys, practice makes perfection, right? If you repeat the process, you're going to be successful. And so as you scroll down here, you see 221 resume, you see 222 resume, you see 223 resume, cover letter, and so on and so forth. Now, these are estimated to take you 5 minutes. All right, all of these are estimated to take you not very long at all. Now, if you have a little challenge, you have your video reference right here. And this is the topic. And then the subtopic is the video you can watch to go to complete this assignment. So if you don't know, if you are absolutely 100% stuck, then you go back and you watch this video. And the way you go back and watch this video is you go to the videos, and the playlist is going to be available for you. Here is the playlist right here. All you got to do is look for this right here is the subtopic for you guys. And so this is what's going to tell you what video you can watch. So the subtopic is this right here. These are the titles to the videos, and the subtopic titles are what video you need to watch. So if you don't understand something, all you got to do is come here. All right. And this is for every lesson. All right. Every lesson has the same thing. So some of you guys were asked to download this reference material. Forget it. I already did it for you, and I have added it to every single domain lesson assignment. So all your documents are in Schoology, and they're going to be in your student notes folder. Your student notes folder is going to have everything you need here. So with that, that is eliminated. That is taken care of. All you got to do is click on it, download it, edit it, save it according to whatever instructions you're being asked to follow. And then if you need to turn that particular document in, you turn it in for a grade. All right, that's it. That is the end of it. So for some of you guys who are doing 225 resume and 225 cover letter, all you got to do is scroll down. Here's your cover letter. Here's your resume. You click on it. You go ahead and you download it. As soon as it pops up, once you download it, you can go ahead and start working on it, okay? And that eliminates that process, okay? Here you go. You just click right here, you download, you save it onto whatever device you're working on. Hopefully it's a desktop in the computer lab in my classroom. and that way you can go ahead and complete the assignment. So hopefully this video offers you a little bit more clarity, a little bit of some good news and a sigh of relief. But this goes in hand with every single domain, right? The order is watch the videos, complete the lesson labs. If you watch the videos, you will not have any trouble completing the lesson labs. If you watch the videos, you will not have any problem completing the student workbook. And with that, you will be able to get a passing grade and you will increase your chances of passing your certification test. I know deep down inside you're going to do outstanding. I know you're going to do amazing. And I am here to support you if you need any additional support. Okay. But for now, what I need you to do is watch this video again if you have any questions. But if there's something that I did not cover in this video, please let me know and I will be happy to support you. That's what I'm here for. But we need to go ahead and make sure that we avoid the shortcuts and that we are attentive and we are paying attention when instructions are being offered at the beginning of each class. With that said, guys, thank you for watching this video and I look forward to seeing your success throughout this course. Have a great day. Bye-bye.